again. I had part 1, part 2, part 3. This was part 3, I think, before Stalker cut the recording again, part 3. Alright, so I organized based on last, what was it? Sort by, clean up by, date created. And it didn't seem to work. But anyways, here's where I am. So I have part 3 here. So before Stalker cuts it again, I zipped the screenshots in number 1, 2, and 3, and here are the other screenshots. They are this one here. Other is Stalker. I cannot remove my account, and by the way, I just tried to sign in to my email address, cedar.toronto@gmail.com, and I did not receive the verification code. A few minutes later, I received a verification code via voicemail. I set my verification code to send via text. It's set to voicemail. Anyways, I started sending it to myself. So I'm going to sign out. It'll say please wait always. Sometimes I see this page, sometimes I do not. All right. All right. So back to the screenshots. Yep, I clear history and they will not clear. So as I've said before, Stalker is sending verification code via voicemails, so he can listen to my voicemail and get the message. There's debug. Okay, lots of debug. So I'm just gonna go back a little bit. Remove this one here, don't need that one. Debug. And this one here, remote device copy, unique of type, device not found. I'm removing this one. Core capture D. And this one here, open directory D, queuing request to connection by private again, always private. And yep, NW_connection, reporting state cancelled. All Safari WebKit networking, lots of networking. And here history, I try to clear all the time and it does not clear. Okay, so new folder, there's 210 screenshots in number 1, 2, and 3 recordings. And so every time I upload, I just did this at 1:54 p.m. There's connected to server when I click on Finder. Connected to server. And this is what it showed me here when I click on Finder. Okay. Here I am zipping the folder. I'm going to put that in the garbage. And when I'm zipping a folder, all data goes to Safari networking, the networking computers. It does not go to Gmail. There's Gmail there. It goes to Safari networking. Okay, that's another screenshot to save. Remove session. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to over here, battery, and actually no, I'll leave it there. Okay, so cleaning up, connection, cleaning up. There is a connection when I'm not connected to a network. Control center, lots of control center. This is Safe Boot. This is upload number 389 that Stalker deleted just last week. It was up for more than a month and he deleted it. This is recorded on June 12th. System diagnose helper agent connection when there is no visible network here. Data always moving. User event agent requesting start by private. Okay, all tasks done by system diagnose. This one is for ages I've been asking Apple questions and they will not answer. The genius, the senior advisors. Safe mode. Your screen is being observed in boot. All right, 4, it says 4 there, and over here it says 9 KB, and this is sent bytes, this is package. It says 60 here, 60 sent, 60 received, and this says 4 and 4. 1.2 KB and 1.25 KB. Sent and received when there is no visible network. Okay, 1.2 KB. Sent and received, but it's not showing up here. I'm gonna make a copy of safe mode. Netstat. These are questions I had for them that nobody answers. Apple. For Apple. Command center. Connected client. Yep, I'm a connected client. Control center. And of course all of that has stopped now because Stalker has tampered with console, and console no longer will show date. Come on, oh there you are. No, that's activity monitor. Console doesn't want to open. There's console. Yep, it will not show date. Okay, and when I close it, yeah, everything gets deleted. This is new. Parse, the client configuration is private, so I'm a client. This computer is a client. And I had to take a screenshot of the screen to show what I have before Stalker changes things. Put that over here. Yeah, Bluetooth. It will not open that file. It wouldn't open some of the files when running diagnostic. 6 notification, only 3 will show. 3 Safari. And questions again for Apple. Asking them about package moving in and out, they do not respond. And I'm gonna put this to the side. These are the ones that I am putting to the side. Data moving. It says 4 and 4 here, but it does not reflect here. Always launch D. Always launch D. Okay, I only showed this because in app usage, it was showing many hours of usage. But it's not reflected in always allowed. There's other, there's Stalker. 1 hour of use, 12, 9, and 3. Okay, it does not up to 1 hour. And I've talked about this. Automatically join this network is grayed out. Apple cannot answer why that is grayed out. Recording here, closed here, not open there, and not in ForceQuit. Okay, QuickTime. There we go, same thing. All data goes to Safari networking, which I have documented again and again. Quick look, satellite, 225 of energy, 220 of CPU. Remote advisor is a malware. Okay, 15 minutes of usage, and that's all it shows. All right, these are going there, and so there's supposed to be in order of date created, and I don't see that. So lots of deleted, 28 pickups, only one is showing. There's Stalker tampered with that. This is the real life chat support, and this is the downloaded version where he deleted it. So while the thing is downloading, he deleted parts of it. Same with email, same with text, same with everything. All right, parent is unknown. There we go, parent is unknown. Parent unknown. Okay, data always moving. And I'm missing this file from the chat versus what I downloaded. See, OBJ, that's what it is. In the activity monitor app, and something missing there. It's not there, not here, missing, but something is there. OBJ object, maybe this one here should be here. Anyways, it's missing. CJ. Could not right. So many visits to the Apple Store. So put this in order. Removing client. Deleted, connecting to private. $33, so it says 35 here. Networking, which I've shown, which look how slowly it's going. He slowed everything down. Okay, put that in there. 146 client connection successfully negotiated. Okay, when there's no visible network. 171 client connection attempted. 146 negotiated successfully. 146 connection, nice. Deleted, purge main, urgency 1. All of these are gone now. Okay, I've shown this one already. Right, so he abandons processing. All of these are uploaded, but they're still uploading here. Okay, got a million of them. Okay, 604 connection established, including accepts. Connection closed, including 24 drops. All right, we're getting someplace now. Connections. Connections accepted. Deleted the purge. Okay, no purge queued. Deleted, successful request. Safari networking, all data goes to Safari networking. This is what it looks like when I'm uploading. Safari is down here, and up here it says using significant energy. All data, all processes restricted. Alright, so it says processing HD here, HD version. I have a tick there, that's new. Upload sign there, that's new. Yeah, and here's all the uploads went to Stalker, the networking of computers. Alright, packets received and packets sent. I've documented that many times. Good. I saw control center down below. Alright, 066 and 461. Windows Server, kernel task. Those were the two using the most energy constantly, and that has changed. And here I am uploading to YouTube, and it's kernel task on Windows Server. Not Safari, although it says Safari there, and Safari is way down here. Okay, and I'm uploading here, and that's how much data is moving. There's control center. Okay, deleted, purgeable, delete, lots of delete. I got millions of deletes. Backup D, and I do not back up. Windows Server and kernel task, the two using the most energy. "48 minutes, 12 and 2, 12 and 2. Core capture D, capture log. So somebody has capture log from my computer. And I have not run capture data for Apple on this computer. Computer number 21, successful request, deleted. Alright, all data goes to Safari networking. And here I have mail open, which means I was sending a mail, but data is going to Safari networking. Battery. Okay, client connection again. Negotiated. So this one says 604 connection established, including accepts. And this one says negotiated. Attempted to negotiate. Connection successful. This connection closed, including 24 drops. Connection updated. Alright, so it's different. 50 connections successfully established. Why do I have 687 connections? Why did it need to have 600 connections? Closed. Okay, reason capture, reason Wi-Fi debug post. Wi-Fi debug, so debug, Wi-Fi debug. Code capture could not find remote device. Okay, sometimes they're live, sometimes they're grayed out. This is frozen. I've documented that before. Preview QuickTime stickies. Stickies not open here, but running here. Like with everything else. Using Apple apps. Unable to open device. Yep, already documented that a million times. Nope, don't need this one. Frozen. It's frozen. Kernel task number 1, 0, 0. Data always moving. There's notification center. No visible network, data always moving, which is common. Capture log, that seems to be a constant. Active internet connection including server. Here's the foreign addresses on June 20th. Foreign addresses. There's my address. Data always moving. There's kernel task. There's command center. Command center or control center? Control center. So he's able to change console. Oh, data moving. There we go. Cloud. That's our cloud dock. Okay. Found persistent store for account, local account. Okay. Client entitled to destructive, number 562. All right. Number 554. He froze this here, so it should look like that, but it doesn't. Actually, why not put it here? Kernel task, number 1 user of the Mac of energy. Everything restricted. Kernel task, number 1 user of the Mac. Preview is not open here, but open here and running. Now it's not frozen anymore. That's what Stalker does all the time. it's like sound disappearing, and then it comes back, and then it goes away, and then it comes back. Same with everything else. Data moving, but no visible network. There's launch. Launch D. Always launch D. Kernel. Fail to resolve. Whatever. Yeah, and I showed that other started at 2 o'clock in the morning. It went on for 2 hours, 2 minutes. Yeah, there was something I could not force quit. Sticky. I could not force quit it. Force quit because it's a malware. Cloud, waiting for MCS job queue, and I did not join Cloud. A lot of Cloud. I did not join Cloud. Networking, 2 view bridge auxiliary. Put in my phone number. I set text messages, but it's sent via phone call. So I'm waiting for the phone call, and the phone does not ring. Phone does not ring. So I could not get send the screenshots from sita.toronto@gmail.com. Okay, and this is debug. It's volatile. LQM Wi-Fi. It's Wi-Fi. LQM Wi-Fi. No visible network. Alright, this is how data is moving. When I'm uploading, again, nothing goes to YouTube Studio. It goes to Safari Networking. Yeah, and there was a third thing here, and it disappeared. Somebody downloaded something to my computer, and then the third part disappeared. Copying asset with remote URL. Yep, this is how data is moving when uploading. There's Wi-Fi. It's an active process, but it's there when I am connected to a network or not connected to a network. Safe mode. System preference, which I showed before. It should not be there. Disposing session. 15 servers now. Okay. Wi-Fi is an active process. This is how it's uploading. Yeah, because no, maybe I wasn't uploading here, but this is what's happening on the Mac regularly. Well, data moving. Frozen. Safari not in dock. Safari networking is where everything goes. Yeah, 5 hours, 1 minute. Stalker is already with me. It wouldn't allow me to access someone in Toronto who can look at the Mac. Connecting to private. There we go, data moving. No visible network here, data moving here, but it's not showing here. Parse D is where data is going to. It does not show this amount, 283 and 267, but it's going to parse D. I have there's sent and received, 625 on 177, still doesn't show. And weather widget, you need cloud to use that. Downloading Big Sur, more data out than in. What am I doing here? Sure, I'm documenting something. Delete purgeable operation result. So they've all been jumbled, scrambled. Okay, running here, but they're not open in the dock. Okay, everything goes to Safari networking. Alright, so there's my profile picture, which was removed, and stalker removed is being cyber stalked, ED. He removed ED and put ER. He does that all the time. He changes a few letters, and every time I'm writing a text, so it looks like a natural mistake, and profile picture is here. But he removed it at one point in time. Deleting, serving, cloud, subscriptions on the server. Alright, yep, everything goes to Safari networking. I'm in mail, I'm in Gmail, I'm sending mail, it goes to Safari networking. Notification 1, it will not show. Alright, same thing. Data is always moving in and out of the Mac. Quick look is a constant. There's control center. Power D, which is a constant. Windows Server, number 1 user of the Mac. Kernel task, 00. Airport D, core Wi-Fi. Airport D is a core Wi-Fi. So when it says Airport D, it's connected. There we go. Am I on Gmail? Yep. Every time I send Gmail, it goes to the networking of computers. Log. And this is localhost. There we go. Localhost, localhost, localhost. Localhost. All of them localhost. All localhost. Okay. That's the install log. Desktop, 13 minutes here. And 5 minutes there. So all these categories, don't know where they are. Location D, received Wi-Fi notification. Yep, I don't get my notification. So I have to record the desktop all the time. This is on July 7th. I have to record the desktop. Because things keep disappearing. Ooh, data moving. Right there. This is to show that I don't have any foreign that I know of app on the Mac. Network configuration change. No IPv6 address tentative will continue. Ah, looky. No IPv6. IPv6. So he's trying not to have it show. And yeah, data always moving, no visible network. Safari is using energy, right? It's number 2 user of the Mac. There's control center. Right, concurrent session. And now this here has disappeared. This concurrent session has disappeared. No, what has changed is this here. View, that has changed. This has changed. It used to allow me to sign out of the other session. It doesn't allow to sign out of other session anymore. Okay, so other session. And so I send Apple screenshots and it's all scrambled, just like my uploads. Everything is scrambled. Just like the chat with Apple. What they send is not what I received. Tailspin history is done, it's deleted. Okay, all tasks done. Minutes left. There's my desktop. That's what it should look like, or something to this effect. Really messy. There's screenshots, lots of screenshots that this folder is missing. 389 to 418. 389 to 418. Oh, data moving. Three, 8, 9, 2, 4. There it is. Three 89 to 418. Okay. Yep, IPv4, IPv6, malwares. Have to take a screenshot of the inside of the folder. Okay, all tasks done. Private is terminated. Can't find a server, but I'm connected to network. cloud will be managed by running board. Yep, Apple, can't find server. Now a lot of my information has been removed. So Stalker would not allow me to transfer information from the old computer to the old email to the new one. 10 hours, 7 minutes of use, and it will not show it here. Lots of deletion. Get list. Share file list, get list. Yeah, YouTube, no YouTube at all. It wouldn't let me access anything, just like the phone. Okay, same thing here, many hours of use, but it will not show in always allowed. So Adet has the recovery email for sita.toronto.gmail.com. Okay. And this is what? Remote service. Preference screen time remote service. Yeah, we've got wireless here, no YouTube. Okay. Here's YouTube. Connected there. Alright, quick time using significant energy. This other Stalker is always with me. 12 hours of use. 10:57, that says 10:56. 3 minutes, 59 seconds. Allow Bluetooth to wake this computer is not grayed out. That line, allow Bluetooth, is not grayed out. Sharing D, the connection to was invalidated. State dump of that many bytes. User not signed in. Right, so when I go to key in my verification code, it always says don't ask on this device again. Okay, that's for the Sita Toronto email. This is always comes up, not by me. I undo it and it's reinstated all the time. And status for user 0 for connected to disconnected. Changing status from connected to disconnected. Okay, so it's all fake. The disconnect is all fake. Alright, battery lasts 12 hours, fully charged. Documented that many times. Datagrams, he sends datagrams. Output over IPv6. 16 minutes, 2 minutes 33 seconds. Okay, data moving in and out. Okay, login window doesn't show anything. Will not show message. 10:57. Okay. So Bluetooth is a hotspot. It's hotspot supported. That's how he does it. Unable to open device. Already show that. "56 minutes, 26 and 24 seconds. System power state change was not on battery. It was not on battery, is on battery. All by private. Network interface. Right, and I talked about he removed my profile picture. And then he changed, it used to be stalked by an ex-partner. He changed ER to ED to ER. Datagrams received, datagrams out, packets received from this host, from this host. QuickTime. Safari is there, Command Center. So a lot has been removed, a lot has been deleted. There's Launch D. There's the malware. Remote Advisor in Always Allowed. Setting change. So power D is setting change for power. For power source. Change to battery power. It's a dark wake. Power D. Power D is always showing up. It's always there. Power D. Power D. There we go. It's always there. It's a constant. If nothing else show up, power D will. Okay, there, that's what he did. He removed my profile picture. Netstat. Used to be a lot of foreign address. I don't have that anymore. Now I have all local. Okay, error. Join history will not allow request to show join history. Wi-Fi log will not allow request. "12 minutes here, 2 minutes here." Power unlimited changed yes to no. Sharing D. Yep, there he removed my profile picture. And there's Bluetooth is grayed out. Just like how just like how, oh, data is moving, just like how this is grayed out. It means it's in use right now. Okay, it won't let me transfer information from the old email to the new email. So I've documented again and again. Starting host resolution.